Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll show you guys how can you fix and solve WPS Office file not saved. In order to fix WPS Office file that isn't saving, then you could follow the steps. First thing first, what you could do is you could check if autosave is enabled, then try manually saving the file frequently. So for that you want to go ahead and open up your WPS Office app, after which what you want to do is you want to go ahead and go to the file section. So here this is the file. Once you go to file, make sure to enable autosave. So right over here you should be able to find this option as autosave. If not, tap the tab bar icon in the left hand side bar and go to settings. Now you could go ahead and explore the feature depending on the version that you're using. In my case, I do not have such feature, so if you have a pro version then you might actually get the such option, or else you could also go ahead and make sure to turn on your backup. That should be able to fix, or that should be able to auto save your file as well. Now after doing this method, if you're unable to access or if you're unable to do the steps, then what you could also do is you could also try for an update. So for that, what you want to do is go to the Play Store or an App Store if you're using, and then on the search box you want to type in WPS Office app. Once you type in that, here you could see whether you need to update or not. If the update is required, go ahead and update your application. Check whether the issue has been solved or not. Similarly, if the issue still persists on, you could also try clearing your cache. So go to app info or long press the application, then click the I button from the top right hand side corner, and then you want to go to storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache. Now clearing your storage is going to delete your data permanently. Only if you're sure about it, then tap the OK button, or else just leave it as it is. Once you've done it so, you could also go to permissions and make sure that the file and media is enabled. After which you have done it so, you could also try logging in, see whether the issue has been solved or not. If that's not the case, you could also try uninstalling the application. Once again, reinstall it, and after which you could go ahead and restart your device at the same time. That could be able to fix the issue all at once. So this is the way you could fix and solve WPS Office file not saved. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.